Are you ready to be a hero in your digital story? Well, let's break down the 5 key skills that will make you effective in securing your digital systems. Number one, coding basics. Learn the ropes of coding. Understand Python for scripting and get comfortable with C++ for building secure softwares. Use Python to automate routine security tasks. Number two, networking knowledge. Grasp the basics of network. Get familiar with protocols, routers, and switches. Secure cloud networks like AWS or Azure. Think of it as setting up secure virtual private clouds, VPCs in AWS. Number three, daily cyber hygiene. Stay on top of daily practices. Install patches, use strong passwords, and regularly check for security issues. For instance, enable multi-factor authentication across systems for added protection. Number four, analytical thinking. Develop a knack for analysis. Use tools like Wireshark to understand network traffic patterns. Imagine investing a security breach by analyzing digital cues. Number five, continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Attend relevant conferences, earn certifications like CISSP, and engage in hands-on labs to stay updated in cybersecurity. Loved our 5 pointers? Let us know in the chat window and share the video across.